Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1971 Chevy Nova. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. We have the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. With these real nice 383 stroker polished valve covers. The Edelbrock blue air cleaner, with the 383 Engine Factory badge on there. Engine block is painted the blue with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pan for the 71 Nova. We have the blue ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Aluminum intake manifold. Correct thermostat housing for the 71 Nova. High flow thermostat. Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket and ball. We have the GM Performance HEI distributor set in place. We always install the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy here. We have the high torque mini starter on there, all aligned and set. Chrome dipstick and tube. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed on the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. Chrome fuel line, electric choke wire. Muscle Car Series fuel pump. All the AN fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel line with the inline gas filter up high for easy access on the top side. We have the polished Wraptor pulley kit on here. AC compressor on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. High flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. This is the GM Type 2 power steering pump with the attached reservoir. We also supply the power steering braided line kit for the power steering pump. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family operated business here. We've been in business since 1969. There you have it, our 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine, the AFR heads and roller cam, the 71 Nova. Thanks for watching.